when you get done. Okay.
Okay, I did my presentation on heartworms, specifically in canines. So heartworms are an internal parasite that are like small thread-like worms. I think they almost look like really thin spaghetti. And they target and attack the heart specifically, as well as the arteries and lungs. Okay. Before I go like super in depth, I'm gonna play this quick video on the life cycle and transmission.
April is Heartworm Awareness Month, and a great time to learn more about this deadly but preventable disease. One of the questions we often receive is, how did my dog get heartworm disease? Dogs become infected with heartworms through the bite of an infected mosquito. Immature heartworms called larvae are passed from the mosquito to the dog. The larvae then travel through the tissues to the dog's blood vessels, eventually making their way to the heart and pulmonary artery. Here, the larvae will mature into adult heartworms. The adult heartworms will then reproduce. The new baby heartworms are called microfilariae. The microfilariae can then be passed to a new mosquito that bites the infected host. Inside the mosquito, the microfilariae will mature into larvae and can then be transmitted to a new host when the mosquito bites another animal. The good news is that heartworm disease can be prevented in dogs.
I think try to hit it right. Let's see, is it over there?
No, it's just that.
Okay, let's see. There you find it.
Okay. So to reiterate what the video just said, because I know it's kind of confusing, the only vector for this disease is an infected mosquito. So if a mosquito that carries this bites your animal, the larvae will transfer from that mosquito into your pet and mature within probably 6 months, maybe longer, depending. And pretty much the cycle goes on, and then a mosquito bites, and so on and so forth.
A vicious cycle.
Yeah. Since the larvae take so long to mature, the signs and symptoms can go unnoticed for several months, maybe a year. Some of the common symptoms to look for are coughing, asthma-like symptoms, vomiting, lack of appetite, and that ultimately leads to weight loss. Some more serious symptoms include difficulty walking, fainting or seizures, and sudden collapse or death. Okay, there is treatment for this, but it can be pretty expensive. So for dogs, you need to restrict their exercise as well as administering preventatives to kill off the adult heartworms. And if necessary, they can do open heart surgery to remove them. But like I said, that's super expensive, so owners usually opt for euthanasia. In cats, their hearts and bodies are too small to handle any surgery or medicine like that, so typically it results in euthanasia for them as well. Luckily, heartworm disease can be prevented. It's important to talk to your vet because there are a lot of over-the-counter products that can cause your animal a lot of harm, but some trusted preventatives would include HeartGuard, Revolution, Ivorheart, and Sentinel. And that's why we're excited.
Okay. Excellent. Yeah, quite a mess.